Hi there, you obviously here because you want to know if affiliate marketing can really work here in South Africa. And I want to encourage you to tune in and pay attention because I've done a lot of research on this and have the answer for you. Now, you might have heard skeptics say that it's not possible, but let me tell you that that couldn't be further from the truth. I'm Paula Walker, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about affiliate marketing in South Africa. Now, you might have tried many online businesses and not had much luck, or perhaps you're new to the online space and looking for new opportunities and are interested in marketing in South Africa. Then keep watching because I'm going to be sharing some important insights that you don't want to miss. And make sure you stay to the end of this video where I'll be showing my best affiliate company that you can partner with, where you can earn 80% commissions, earn US dollars, and learn affiliate marketing at the same time. Now, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Before I get into the details, let me quickly define what affiliate marketing is for those of you who are not familiar with it. Affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing where businesses pay affiliates for promoting their products and services. So when you sign up as an affiliate, which I'll show you just now, you'll be issued with a unique link which is assigned to you. And then when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, then you make a commission. Now, the commissions can vary from company to company and range from, I think it's about 5% up to 60, 70%, sometimes 80%. And generally, you can either promote products where you make a once-off sale or a recurring sale, which I would recommend. And the benefits of affiliate marketing are that the startup costs are low and there's no need to create your own product or service. You don't need to hold on to any stock, and you also don't have the hassle of customer service issues as this is handled by the company. And guys, you also don't need a degree or any experience. And finally, you can do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have a computer and a good internet connection. So the big question, can affiliate marketing really work in South Africa? And the answer is absolutely. Affiliate marketing is an awesome way to make money online, and so many South Africans are already having success with it. However, like any business, it does take time, effort, and dedication to see results. So don't expect overnight riches. It isn't a quick get-rich scheme. But with persistence, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business that can generate steady income. And affiliate marketing is a real game changer, especially for those in South Africa. As you're probably aware, the costs of living has skyrocketed, and people face the challenge of starting a traditional business because of the huge costs involved. But with affiliate marketing, you can actually start your own online business with a small amount of capital. You know, another thing is that living in South Africa also doesn't actually limit you to only selling local products. Thanks to the internet, you can sell globally and partner with companies all over the world. And that means that you can earn foreign currencies while living in South Africa. You know, the possibilities are endless, and I find this so exciting. So, how do you get started? Well, the first step is to find an affiliate program that suits your interest. You know, there are plenty of programs available out there, from large company to niche markets where you can sell physical products, digital, or subscription services. So all you need to do is Google the name of the company and see if they have an affiliate program. You know, it might be called an ambassador program, partner program, or an affiliate program. And to find out to see if they have an affiliate program, you go to the bottom of their website, and if they have an affiliate program, you will see it here. So all you do is you sign up, you create an account, and after approval, you will receive your unique link to start promoting the product or service. And you can promote through social media, email marketing, or even create a website or a blog. But let me just warn you, don't have to have a website. I think that scares a lot of people. And the key is to choose the social media channel that works best for you, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Always remember to be transparent with your audience and disclose that you're promoting an affiliate product. Never spam your link all over the place. You know, there are ways to do it. And also remember to promote products that you believe in. You know, don't just go for the highest paying commissions. Because if you do this and the product is not good, you will lose credibility and people will stop trusting you and they actually won't buy from you. So choose a niche that you are passionate about so that you can create authentic content and build trust by being honest and promote products that you believe in, and diversify your income stream by promoting multiple products. And lastly, don't give up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Now, at the beginning of the video, I said that I would share my best affiliate marketing company. This may come as a surprise to you, but it isn't a local company. This is a platform where you can learn how to do affiliate marketing and at the same time earn recurring commissions of 80%, which is unheard of, should you choose to promote and get paid in US dollars. Now, so this program, in my opinion, is the best that I've ever come across when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, I've been in the online marketing space for at least 10 years, and I've yet to find a better company to partner with. And I certainly wouldn't promote something that I didn't believe in. So I'll leave a link in the description should you decide to take a look at it. So in conclusion, I truly believe that affiliate marketing could be your path to financial freedom here in sunny South Africa. It's legitimate, accessible, and filled with huge opportunities. So if you're eager to learn and more and wanting to get started on this incredible journey, feel free to take a look at the program I mentioned earlier, which covers all the foundational principles of affiliate marketing, and it's perfect for beginners as well as experienced marketers. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please leave your questions and thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.